I recently got my hands on the XP-Pen Deco Pro tablet and would like to share my unboxing video with all of you. The latest drawing tablet from XP-Pen is the Deco Pro, a professional looking tablet with pretty cool features. This tablet supports 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It has a 60 degrees of tilt, has 8 express keys, a physical and virtual wheel, and it is supported by Android version 6 or newer. The Deco Pro has two versions, a small and a medium. I went ahead and purchased a medium for myself because it has an active area of 11 into 6 inches, whereas the small is 9 inches into 5 inches. So that extra space, extra area gives you an edge on using the device. There's some other features which you can have a look at. You can just pause the video and go through them. And you can also find this on their official website. I purchased this device on my own, and in no way is this video sponsored by XP-Pen. So I hope that you guys can support me by subscribing and liking my video. This will help me boost my confidence and motivation to bring more unboxing and technology videos. I couldn't find anything sharp enough, so I just used a knife to unbox this. So taking this off is really fun. Keep this aside. Alright, where do you open this from? Wow, there's no, okay, yeah. I think we just need to, yes, shake it a bit more. Yep, it's coming off. Come on. So the backing is really neat. And on the side, so looks pretty neat. The size is really huge actually. I didn't expect it to be this large. It's quite slim. Packaging is really good. What else do we have here? Okay, one piece, another box. I believe this would be the pen. Anything else? Okay, nothing. Let's open this up. Seems like these are some instruction manuals and some adapters. There's a glove as well. Let's keep this aside. Two adapters. There's a USB-C and there's another one, the general one. I think it's for the Samsung and for the Huawei. You can use both types of phones. Quick start guide on how to connect it with your PC or laptop. This is the glove. I haven't used the glove, by the way, in this video. So this is the driver information and support card. This is a quick start guide to connect it with your mobile, and there's a warranty card as well. I'll just go through these quickly. And let me just open this up as well. Okay, that's the cable. All things are out of the box now. I'll open this up as well. Alright, it's really smooth in the hand. These are some rubber grips to keep that tablet in place. Really slim. See, it's all the way, it's really slim from the side. These are express key buttons, a virtual touchpad, physical buttons, shortcuts basically. Yeah, there's a coating on top. That was nice to hear. Now let's open the pen. So these are the spare nibs. Let's just take one out and see how. Okay, that's it. Nice. Let's place it back. Let's now find the pen. I think it's on the other side. Yeah. Oh wow, this looks pretty amazing, this pen. It's non-battery operated. It has two buttons, one for eraser and there's another one for right click. Let me try it out. Wow. So that's how it sounds when you write on it. Pretty plasticky, but it has this matte finish. So now that we have unboxed and placed all the stuff here, now let's start with the connection with my laptop and let's see how it works. Let's see how it works in practical. So I just set this up, I just read the instruction manuals quickly. It's pretty easy to set up actually. I'll guide you step by step. So I just open the cable up and the wire is pretty long actually. So since it's going to be close to the laptop, just plug in one side and the other side with your laptop. There you go. Now I'll just open the website which is provided, xppen.com/driver downloads, or downloads, I believe. Yeah, downloads. And when I was trying this out, it gave me an error, so never mind. I'll go to the support and go to the drivers myself. Downloads, yep. And by the way, I'm using my pen directly now. I'm not using my mouse. I'm controlling the mouse function with my pen. So it automatically starts working, but still you need to download the latest driver to make sure that there's no errors or dysfunction. So we go down, you select your device, Deco Pro, that's it, and another window pops up. There are some download options for Mac, there are download options for Windows 7, 8, 10, and there's some previous versions. I just select the latest one. I click this download, it starts downloading, and once the downloading is done, just extract that file into another folder. And then you run that application to install the driver. Just click install. It's just Just takes a couple of seconds. And then it displays a quick manual, so you can just go through it in a short while. Gives you some basic instructions on how to connect, and it gives you the settings. This is really important actually. It gives you an idea of how the XP-Pen is set up. You can also go to this support site for more information. Now let's go to the XP settings, pen settings. Okay, this is the window. I haven't changed anything over here, so you can play around with these settings, and you can see that the active area, how it matches with your laptop screen. So this is the sensitivity. So for example, if I press, it shows you the sensitivity reading over there, so you can get a feel of how it interacts. If you press it slowly, how much sensitivity it detects, and if you constantly press it, how many levels are being used. So I would recommend go through these settings at least once. I don't change anything here at all, and I directly go to OneNote. This is the first time I'm using the pen, the tablet, and OneNote, so it's all new to me. I am going to write in a really bad way, so please don't feel that this device is not working or something, because there's a learning curve to this. But the feel you get when you're writing on this tablet is amazing, honestly. And I think I did pretty decent to write this on my first try, because you need to be aware of the active area actually. So it corresponds to your screen. So normally I was thinking that it's like a mouse, but it's not exactly like a mouse. So you can highlight stuff, you can change the colors, you can, so I have my highlighter selected, and while I'm making this square or rectangle, actually you can drag it. Yep. So this is a very quick way of doing things here. So I'm just messing around, just trying out different things. Okay, I'm trying to, oh yeah, you can use the eraser button on the pen to quickly erase. That's really handy. Alright, you can just quickly draw a line. It's pretty crooked because I'm not used to this, but that's the whole point. The point is to use technology in a good way. So I have this line here, so why do I need to draw it? I can just use that directly and just type it in or write the readings over here. So I'm trying a couple of things over here. You can draw graphs. So this is really handy for mathematicians and people who need to teach. There's a lot of functionality in this application. So for example, you can write the equations, and then there's also an option of converting this equation into built-in formulas. I tried this out, but I don't know why this doesn't work. Maybe it's trying to connect to the internet. I'll give it a shot maybe in the next trial. So this is a really handy function. So if I write in the formula, it converts it automatically, and then you can just place it anywhere on your sheet. Pretty handy stuff. I'll try my hands on some drawing. I'm really bad at sketching, but let's just give it a shot. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys got a feel of how this device works, and this is really useful for the current situation. So thank you. Bye bye.